Hey guys, so let's go on a little adventure today as we explore City Market in Savannah, Georgia. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, all of the above. So first we started out at Franklin Square, not Park. It was right across the road from where City Market begins. So once you enter City Market, we decided to get some pizza. Vinnie Van Gogo's pizza. I got a big slice. It's that good. How is it? Like it? So where we are seated, you can actually see next door is a park. It's French. So guys, I'm not really big on pizza, right? But I wanted pizza, and this was like a popular spot here on, in City Market. So I decided to try it. But the pizza is really good. Yeah. We just took a regular pepperoni. It's a big slice. It's good. All right, so we then visited Savannah's Candy Kitchen. Guys, I know the entrance looks small, but it's a huge place. You go in, they have candies of all sorts, shapes, sizes, kinds. They also have popcorn, again, of all flavors, different flavors, and guys, even drinks of some ridiculous flavors, right? We have Doomsday Lemonade, we have apple pie, pickle soda. It's ridiculous. All right, and then next you want to try Byrd's. Byrd has been around for quite some time, since 1924.
Been
The
around
cookies
for a
are
while, since I think
really nice, they're really
19,
tasty.
1924.
They'll allow
So
you
really
to
nice
sample
cookies.
them before you actually decide which ones you want to get. And for me, my favorite was this lemon cooler. I hope I said it right. But this is it right here, tagged in the picture. Key lime coolers, yeah. Those I would recommend you try.
And then also behind me, guys, I didn't want to really like go over there, right? But this is City Market. It's actually a spot where you could go. It's a City Market cafe. So you could go there, grab something to eat, something light. What is ironic is that we are here at Prohibition Museum, which they have artifacts and things from. There was a period of time when alcohol was banned. But what's funny is that they actually have tours. Sorry, not tours. They have mixology, like cocktail classes, and they actually serve alcohol in there, right? But it's really a cool spot to visit as well if you are in, City Market area.
And next on the agenda, guys, are carriage rides. If you want to explore the city, this is a great way to do it. You can go to Georgia Tasting Room, taste some wine, also another option. And guys, you could just walk around and explore because there are a lot more things to do, right, within the area. But I just highlighted some of the areas that stood out for me personally.
So another highlight about here, guys, is this one's still eating. Another highlight is that from within City Market, you could actually do the tours. The public trolley tours, which is actually good because they have different spots where they go to, and you can hop on and hop off. I did it before some time ago. I'll send you guys. I'll show a video of it. But it's actually really fun because then you can kind of explore the city by just hopping on, hopping off. But there are two options for that. But we'll get into that in another video.
And if you are an art lover, then this is the area for you. Once you actually enter, there are like different art galleries. They have like an art center upstairs that you could check out, get some visitors information, like anything you need. This is the place to go if you like art. And guys, this is just the iconic clock in City Market. Once you see this clock, you know you're in City Market. And then just to top off the journey, on the other end of City Market is Ellis Square. So that's how you know where City Market ends. Alright guys, so remember to like, subscribe, share, and follow for more.